Hi, I'm Joe with RDI, here with another tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about making touch-ups on a damaged section of railing. Now we have two products we're going to talk about that we offer today. One is a bottle and a brush, and another is an aerosol spray can. Now the first step in a touch-up is to make sure that the surface is clean and free of debris. I've used Windex here with a microfiber towel. I personally like Windex with vinegar. It doesn't have the ammonia in it. The first imperfection we're going to deal with is this one here, and we're going to use our bottle and brush, which we can see right here. Shake well before use. And here this is just like a bottle of nail polish where I can kind of brush off my excess and get a nice thin coat over this imperfection. Less is more here. We can make multiple coats if we have to. So I'm going to let that dry and we'll see how it looks. The next imperfection we're going to deal with is this one here, and you can see a couple in a row, so I'm going to use my aerosol spray can. Make sure you shake that well, and whenever you use an aerosol can, you want to make sure that you mask off anything that you don't want to get overspray on. You can see down here I've masked off my libation cup. Don't want any overspray in my beverage. Now when we use this spray can, we want to make a sweeping motion or a dusting motion over the damaged area. Again, less is more here. We want light coats that we can go over again if we have to. Here you can see our paint is just about dried. Touch up bottle and brush and aerosol can. I can't see the aluminum anymore. It blends in really well. We offer this paint in 3 colors: our satin black, white, and age bronze. For more information and answers to more frequently asked questions, go to rdirail.com.